Everybody's looking for the coolest airplanes out there. Ready to explore the top 10? Hash 10, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, super fuel efficient and comfy. Hash 9, the Lockheed Martin F-22, Raptor, stealthy and powerful. Hash 8, the Airbus A350, state-of-the-art technology and luxury. Hash 7, the Concorde, fastest commercial jet ever. Hash 6, the Cessna 172, most popular training plane. Hash 5, the Boeing 747, iconic jumbo jet. Hash 4, the Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's top stealth fighter. Hash 3, the Airbus A380, world's largest passenger plane. Hash 2, the Lockheed C-130 Hercules, ultimate military workhorse. And Hash 1, the SR-71 Blackbird, fastest jet ever built. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments.